Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install our BMW F750 850GS rear luggage rack. The supplied hardware: 6 M6x30mm long countersunk Allen bolts, 6 spacers. The tools that we'll be using: T30 Torx key or socket, 4mm Allen key or socket, extension for ratchet, and we also have a ratchet and a screwdriver for various bits. The process of removing the OEM rear rack: grab the T30 Torx, loosen all the 6 bolts, essentially remove them all the way. The way to remove the rear plate: pull it back and lift it up. And then put all the spacers in their corresponding places, line up those mounting holes, and then gently place the rear rack on the top. Again, line up the holes with the spacers as well as the rear rack holes. Grab the bolts and insert them one by one. Turn the bolts a few times. We recommend only 1-2 times max. We want to make sure that it's loosely fitted. So you can repeat the same for all the 6 bolts, 4 up top or up front and 2 further back at the rear. Like so. And at this point, you can gradually tighten each bolt. Do not over tighten one bolt and the next one. Just gradual. Pull it snug, next bolt, pull it snug, start all over again, and then you can tighten. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.